So today is the 7th of January, and in 8 days, on January 15th, I'll be flying out to Indonesia, where I'll be spending the majority of my time in Bali. So right now, I'm on my way to go pick up some packages and kind of do a little unboxing for you guys of some stuff that I bought, and then go over what my general plans are for the next several months. And just a note, this is the first video of this new YouTube channel I'm starting. I haven't started the channel yet. I still have to come up with a name. But this is a way for me to get more creative, find new interesting ways to make more videos. Here's some of the packages that I ordered that I had delivered in this past week. Merry Christmas to me. So I'll start with this box. First, got all my backpacking stuff from Peak Design. Those bubble wrap. Nice. Got some more Peak Design boxes. That's not it. Maybe it's in here. Bingo. More Peak Design. Box weighs like 2 ounces. Inside here, all we have is a memory card. Another box that weighs nothing. USB-C cables. So I was torn on deciding if I wanted the Peter McKinnon bag or the Peak Design. I picked the Peak Design because there's a lot more options. You can stylize your bike or your bag based on what you want done with it, what types of packing cubes and all that. You can pack it small, so you can take it on the carry-on in the airplane, or you can pack it big if you're on a long trip. So that's why I picked Peak Design. First time I'm seeing it in person. It says Carry On Plus. As I try to figure this out with my blind eyes, please note that I'll be doing a full what's in my travel bag video, showing all the features of this bag with all my camera gear. Where's the zipper? It's dark in here, I can't see it. Yes, get excited, it's coming soon. I believe this is the packing cube for all my camera gear. Another handle. Got handles on both sides. Comes with all these removable dividers. Velcro is very grippy. And it also has these dividers here with a shelf. So if you have 2 smaller lenses, you can stack them on top of each other. Then for the next one, this is the tech pouch. So more handles. Just go like this, open, and then lock. So I'm super OCD. I like things organized, and that's what this is going to be for. So anything you want to access, all your small components you can put in here. Zip it up. There's side zippers for more stuff. Called a wash pouch. Here's where you put your toothbrushes, shampoos, toothpaste, toiletries, all that kind of stuff. Normally I just put them in like Ziploc bags and they just kind of bounce around in my suitcase. But it's nice that I can have it in one living place, and everything's designed to where you can literally rinse the whole thing out, like right here. There's like little tabs in here. You can like pull the whole pouch out if you wanted to wash it out. completely. Just kind of neat. What else? I forgot the stuff I ordered. This is, oh, packing cube. So if you like this, opens all the way up. There's a compression zipper. So you open the compression zipper. Crunch makes the bag bigger. That. Once you put all your clothes in there, use like shirts, socks, and underwear. Once you get everything in there, you can then get the compression zipper and zip it all the way around, and then you have a nice little tight packing cube. So I just started looking at this the other day. It's a teleprompter. Essentially, if you can't memorize scripts, you just put your camera through a mirror to where your phone can read a script, and you just look right at the camera and read a script. Genius. I don't know why I didn't think this earlier, because I have a terrible time remembering scripts. So this will handle the problem. This thing was only like $70. Very good reviews. This is the brand Densview or Desview. So I've heard great things about it because everything is all about the glass, so the camera can transparent through without any glare, and you're able to read the text on the screen. Lots of parts. I'll open this one later. Feels fragile because it is glass. So that's the glass. So essentially, your camera lens goes through here. You have your phone sits here and it reflects a text. So you read the text through the teleprompter, and that's where the screen is at, or the camera lens. So that's perfect. And it's lightweight. The whole thing weighs about 1 pound. So if you have a small lightweight tripod, you can literally rig this thing on your camera, and with only an extra pound, depending on your tripod, GorillaPod, this one holds 11 pounds. So this will work good. So I'm excited for this. I got one that's small for traveling. They make bigger ones that are more better with a bigger display, but this is perfect. And it has this covering case so it won't get smashed in your luggage. Let's hope anyways. More stuff in here, but I'll check that out later. Here, call this a dead cat. This goes over your microphone. I got the Rode VideoMic Pro. This will go right over that, so when it's windy, this one feels like a real cat. Anyways, what else? If you don't look cool enough with your mirrorless camera, put a grip on it, make it bigger. Has all these little buttons and add-ons, so you can take vertical shots and horizontal shots. Essentially, it gives you 2 battery charges all in one. Not sure what's going on here. Oh, that's where the batteries go. So you have to have your own batteries. Didn't know that. I thought it came with batteries. Definitely doesn't feel cheap, that's for sure. Oh, I got this for fun. It's like a little portable Bluetooth speaker. To me, it looks like a big giant black dildo. Didn't even look at reviews or specs. I just saw the promo video. Looked cool, so I said, fuck. So this isn't something that I need, but I want to improve my lighting skills. So having this thing here will definitely help me learn. balloon cube. The Panel Pro has a bunch of different features. It's like a soft light cover here. Has a bunch of different colors you can change from. A little mount thing so you can put it on a little shoe hook mount. Shoe mount, shoe hook. Let's see if it turns on. Oh, it does, look at that. So the level, you can lower the percentage. Makes it dimmer. Increase temperature, make it warmer. And then color. It's all aluminum. Feels nice. It says there's a travel pouch, so you don't break it. Everything has a travel pouch. Manfrotto mini tripod. Little screw head on there. Essentially, the only reason why I got this is for my microphone. So when I'm doing voiceovers, I can have a nice little tripod for my microphone. That's the sole reason why I got it. And with that, you need an extension cord from your camera to your microphone to do the voiceovers, or if I'm filming myself from a distance and I want the microphone closer to me, that's what this will help for. It was like $15, something like that, so why not? Here, so I read the microphone, the VideoMic Pro Plus, the thread is, I believe, a 1/2 inch, which is this. So to convert this to this, you need one of these things, so this can screw on. So from here, you put your microphone on there, and your microphone any way you want it. Boom, got a microphone stand. This was like $20. This is like $4. Perfect. Here we have a good old-fashioned memory card. It was $100 off on B&H. It's a 256 Extreme Pro. It's the CF Express B. These cards like $400. So I only have one, and when I'm traveling overseas, I don't want to have to replace it if I have to. So I'll just keep this as an emergency in case I need it or I need more space. This thing, pretty excited for. It's the Casey Neistat tripod. First, I wanted something that's gonna last me. Like the tripod that this phone is on right now. It was a $100 tripod for a phone that's really expensive, and I got it because I want it to work and not break, and it did its job, and I still use it now. So that's kind of the same concept of going with this. This is the aluminum. Everything is aluminum on this, nothing's plastic at all. Definitely feels expensive. It was like $130, $140 for this. In here, these are just some USB-C cords. Says it's USB 4, 40 gigabytes. Apparently it makes it charge faster, send data faster. Got me too, why not? The only USB cords I have are the ones that come with purchases. I never actually purchased a USB cord, but I purchased these ones. So definitely feel like USB cords you would pay for. They feel nice. Hopefully they deliver and not fail on me. And here's the aftermath of all the trash. Well, not completely. I still have to go through it. I'm sure there's some receipts and manuals and whatnot. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm gonna head back home now and play around with it and see how to use everything, and then I'll show a little bit more in future videos. After about 10-15 minutes, got all the receipts, books, all the trash in one little tiny package. Let's save these boxes. This stuff, I usually hold it for a couple weeks to be sure everything works before I throw it out. But here's a backpack. I'm excited for it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little unboxing video I just made. I've never done an unboxing video before, so I'm not really good at presenting things I purchased. But I did buy a lot of stuff over the last few weeks. I'm pretty excited for the trip. Again, like I said earlier, I do leave in 8 days from now. And pretty much the whole means of this trip, more or less, is for me to focus more on my filming and editing and all that, so I can just spend all my time focusing and just completely detach myself from the whole work environment here in Vegas. I'm just constantly busy working, a lot of distractions. So this will be a really good opportunity for me to spend all my time focusing the next several months. For now, I'm just hanging out here in line. It's Chick-fil-A, waiting to get my food. Well, I hope you enjoy that video, and until then, I'll catch you in the next one.
With the everybody, there's a lot of that. Nobody never know. Keep dancing with the everybody.